Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a poll on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So I'm gonna capturing a snap here and then tap on this sticker icon and tap on poll and enter here the poll question. And by default you will get these two emojis here, thumbs up and thumbs down. And to change the emoji, simply select the emoji which you want to change. Now you will be able to change the emoji and tap on done. So that's how you can create a poll on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.